Hey guys, it's April here, and today we're back with another video, and today we're gonna make slime. So let's get started. Sorry for my littlest pet shop being in there. It's kind of frustrating to see her dead. JK, I'm not dead. Anyways, today we're gonna make slime. And the ingredients are glue, detergent, shaving cream, food coloring, shaving cream if you want to make it fluffy, and food coloring if you want to add it, color if you don't want to add it, food coloring to make it, doesn't make sense what I was saying, but if you don't want to add it, shaving cream to make it fluffy, you don't have to add it, don't add it, just skip that part. If you don't want to add it color, it's okay, you can let it clear or blue or whatever color it goes. It's your slime, and I'm just giving you a tip of how to make slime. If you don't want to make slime, fluffy slime, you don't have to. You can just literally skip the part of adding shaving cream and food coloring to the slime. Anyways, let's get started. So let's just throw that little pet shop. Slime is very important, let me tell you. Or unless if you like little pet shops, I don't mind. I'm not gonna be hating you. I also did that before, but when I started to know how to make slime, I just literally liked slime better. But never mind. Let's get straight to the video. You can use any glue. You can add clear glue, glitter glue, white glue, almost glue, any type of glue you want to add. I'm adding some glue, and it's white glue. It's not yellow, it's not glittery, it's not any color you think it is. It's white. I'm basic. Don't hate, please. Anyways, you add some shaving cream if you want to make it fluffy. If you don't want to make it fluffy, you don't have to add a shaving cream. You can just skip this part. I'm sorry that I'm talking really fast. Ooh, I'm so excited. So you mix 2 hours later, and mix. This is annoying. Sorry that I'm talking really fast. It's just that I don't know. I literally made a video of how to make slime before this one, and then my dog literally slapped the camera to the floor, and it fell, and it ruined the video. So I literally just I ended making the slime, and then I was like, breathe, April, breathe. Let's make another video, because I'm not going to let you guys down. And I decided to make another video, because you know how I am. I'm weird, and I like to make slime, and I like to party, and yeah. Now you add color it. I'm going to make it green. Pastel green. Oof, my camera doesn't have that much battery. It has 15, but it's okay. I can make this fast. Mix, you guys. We gotta mix so the slime can be slime. Else, what is slime without being a slime? Does it make sense? No, it doesn't. Sorry about that. Weird. Now you add the detergent that will activate the slime and make slime be slime. Because, what is glue with shaving cream with color without slime? Without being slime? Without adding a detergent? Sorry about if you hear a noise. It is my dog that is on the bed, and it's making noises because he wants to go outside, but I'm literally on the floor making slime. So when I'm done making slime, I'll get you out. I promise. So you just mix until it makes slime. I'm going to take it, put that there, and I'm going to keep mixing the slime. It's not clickbait, guys. You don't have to believe me if you don't want to, but you can try it. It's not going to be clickbait. Unless if you do something wrong, well, it's not going to make slime, really. But, yeah. So that's all for making slime. Sorry the video was really fast. It's just that, well, my camera doesn't have a battery. My dog is annoying me, and I literally have to go eat. So that's the point. Gonna show you the slime. So this is the slime. To make it giggly, you just have to add you know, hot water and start playing with it until it's giggly slime. This was the slime I made after making this video. So let's just mix them. There we go. That's making a gigantic slime. So this is part 1 of making fluffy slime. I'm gonna make a second part making clear and third part making giggly, you know, guys. So I hope you enjoy, like and subscribe. Love you guys.